Hey friends, what's up? This is Roshni Shah and welcome back to my channel Nursing Study Expert. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon below so that you will get notified whenever I'll put a new video. If you are already watching my videos, then thank you so much. Today's video is all about GCS, Glasgow Coma Scale. So let's get started. GCS, Glasgow Coma Scale, is a method to assess the neurological status of a patient. It has three parameters: eye opening, verbal response and motor response. So, the articles we need to assess GCS are torchlight, knee hammer and pen. So in the GCS, we are assessing basically three parameters: the eye opening, verbal response of the patient and motor response of the patient. So the three components you can remember like EVM: eye opening, verbal response, motor response. Each component has some scoring. The minimum score for each component is 1. The maximum score for eye opening is 4. The maximum score for the verbal response is 5 and the maximum score for motor response is 6. So it starts from 4. So you can remember like EVM and 4, 5, 6. So E4, V5 and M6. So the total minimum score is 3 and the total maximum score is 50. So if you are assessing a GCS of a patient and suppose patient's GCS is 3, so patient is having severe neurological damage. If the score is 8, patient is in comatose state. If the score is between 12 to 13, the patient is having moderate neurological damage. And if the score is 13 to 14, patient has minor neurological damage. And if patient has 15 by 15 GCS score, patient is well oriented with the time, place and person, and it is the best score. Okay, so let's see each components in detail. First is eye response. Eye response has 4 points. First is the spontaneous opening. If patient is opening the eye frequently opening the eyes or closing the eyes, when you enter in patient's room and patient will open his eyes, the score will be 4. Next is respond to verbal command. If you are calling the patient's name and patient is opening his eye. If you are asking the patient to open his eye or close his eyes, patient is following your command. Patient is doing that. In that case, score will be 3. Next is response to painful stimuli. If you are giving some pressure or if you are pinching at the supraorbital node or trapezius and patient is opening his eyes, the score will be 2. Even after calling the patient's name or giving some pressure, patient is not opening his eyes, there is no response, the score will be 1. So each point has some scores and the minimum score is 1 and the maximum score is 4. For the eye response, the scoring starts from 4. And then for the verbal and motor, add 1, 1. So now let's see verbal response. So verbal response. Verbal response has 5 points. First, oriented. If patient is well oriented with the time, place and person, the score will be 5. If you ask the patient what is your name, where are you, what is the time right now, patient will be able to reply it correctly. So when you will ask the patient what is your name, patient will reply correctly that I am Mr. So and so. If patient is confused, if you ask some questions and patient is giving wrong answer or patient is including some words like maybe, it is likely to be, that means that patient is confused. The score will be 4. If you will ask the patient that where are you, he will reply that maybe it is likely to be I am at home. So the score will be 4. If patient is having inappropriate words, means when you will ask something, patient will reply inappropriately, or it may include the inappropriate words. So if you will ask that what is the time right now, patient will say that I have severe pain, or I am hungry, I want to go home. So that is the inappropriate words. The score will be 3. If there is inappropriate sounds, if you will ask something, patient will make some sounds and you are not able to understand patient's reply. If you will ask, where are you? Patient will say that, I am, So you are not able to understand the answer, and patient is having inappropriate words such as e, So the score will be 2. And if there is no response, even after asking something, patient is not even making some sounds, the score will be 1. So again, the minimum score is 1 and the maximum score is 5. Next is the motor response. Okay, so now let's see motor response. Motor response has 6 points. If patient obeys your command, ask patient to lift his hand or lift his leg or lift his legs or show the tongue, turn the position in the bed, and patient will follow your command, then the score will be 6. If there is localization to pain, means if you giving some pressure to the patient, if you are pinching at the earlobe and patient is showing the site where he is having pain, patient will move his hands to the pressurized site. That is localization to pain. The score will be 5. If there is withdrawal to pain, patient will try to remove your hands, or patient will withdraw the site from the pain. If you give pressure at the earlobe or if you give pressure on the sternum, patient will remove your hands from the pressurized site. The score will be 4. If there is abnormal flexion or decorticate posturing. Decorticate posturing is an abnormal posturing in which person is with bent arms, clenched fists and legs held out straight. Arms are towards the body and wrist and fingers are held on the chest. So if you will give pain on the sternum, patient will flex his body. So the score will be 3. If there is abnormal extension or decerebrate posturing. Decerebrate posturing is an abnormal posturing which involves arms and legs held straight out, toes being pointed downward and the head and neck being arched backward. The muscles are having rigidity. So if you will give pressure on the sternum, patient will extend his arms. That is abnormal extension and the score will be 2. If there is no response, if patient is not following your command, even patient is not showing the painful site, or there is no flexion, no extension, the score will be 1. So the minimum score is 1 and the maximum score is 6. Like this, it is very simple to remember GCS. It is just EVM, eye opening, verbal response, motor response, and it starts from 4, 5, 6. So E4, V5, M6. If there is some factor which interferes with the eye opening of the patient, it is noted as non-testable NT. Or if there is some factor which interferes with the verbal response, such as if patient is on intubation or on tracheostomy, it is noted as NT, non-testable. Or if there is some factor which interferes patient's motor response, such as if patient is paralyzed and patient is not able to follow your command, the motor response will be noted as non-testable. So I hope guys this session is very useful for you. Please let me know if you have any query or if you have any suggestions. Please mention in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment and share my video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do it right now, right away. Thank you guys. Bye bye.